Today I want to show you this plant, Lantana Camara. Lantana Camara looks like the African scent leaf basil and has almost the same scent. Look very closely. This plant is a wayside plant and doesn't really like staying together with other plants. It likes staying on itself. Look at the colors of the red flowers. It has red, yellow, and they all look like cones. This plant is very, very good for all manner of arthritis and all manner of rectum problem. I mean rectum as the anus, rectum, pulse. It's also very good for problem of bolus, like when a child is having pains in his balls, in his penis balls. But what I really want to show you about this plant is I have an Indian friend whose children were not really following in school, and I watched this family always give their children this particular plant because they have it in their home. Each time I go there, they make this plant as tea and they give it to their children. They add a little honey to it, and I tell you, during exam time, those children were in the first grades. And then I learned from them and I went researching on this. I realized that the Lantana Camara can reactivate the brain cells. This is also more like a rejuvenated brain. Look at it. Like everything that was in that brain got wiped out and then the new ones were formed. So this is Lantana Camara. And look at here. It looks like an eye. This one. Look like an eye that have blur vision. An eye that cannot see far. An eye that cannot see close. So when you're talking about hypermetropia and myopia. Long-sightedness and short-sightedness. So Lantana Camara also helps with such. I'm showing you all the aspects of it so that you can see it very clearly. Looking at here, it looks like a new rejuvenated fallopian tube valve. I mean, those finger-like things, they're growing newly. And then it also looks like a new DNA that is generating new structural immune globules. I don't know, but I'm trying to, if you are a health professional, for you to also see clearly with me. This is how we make researches and know what plant does. So this particular plant is a potent rejuvenator. You can cut the leaves, dry them in brown envelope, and then make them as tea for your children, and for your aged, for the eyes, for the brain activation, for pulse, for bone problems, bone problems, for osteoporosis, and then any type of joint pain, ranging from arthritis and stuff. You can see the connective bone structures here. You can see. So this is Lantana Camara. I hope you can identify this plant anywhere, anytime. Please make sure you go with the picture if you are going to look out for it. This is the only plant that have mixture of red, yellow, and light pink in the middle. It's so beautiful, and the aroma is so inviting. Enjoy.